Hi everyone, every tip I'm sharing in this video has been validated by the mechanics here with me, so don't worry, we'll figure this out together. If your Kia shows the message check lane keeping assist system, it doesn't mean your car suddenly went rogue. What's happening is that the system that helps keep your car within the lane detected that something isn't working properly and decided to shut off temporarily to avoid any risk. This system uses a front-facing camera to read lane lines and assist you if you unintentionally drift, so if it can't see properly, it alerts you. In many cases, the cause is quite simple. The front camera is dirty or blocked. Dust, mud, insects, snow, or even leftover rain can cover the camera and confuse the system. Several mechanics here in the shop tell me that cleaning the windshield and camera area usually makes the message disappear almost instantly. It's like trying to see through a foggy window. Until you clean it, nothing is clear. But it's not always dirt. The road itself can work against you. Faded lines, harsh shadows, old paint, or extra markings can confuse the LKA and cause it to deactivate. Many mechanics mention that even on long, well-paved roads, the alert can appear intermittently if the lighting or contrast conditions aren't perfect. If cleaning the camera and restarting the car doesn't work, it could be a more serious issue like miscalibrated sensors or an internal camera fault. Several mechanics have recalibrated the camera or even replaced the module, and that has solved the message in most cases. This shows that even if the car drives normally, the LKA eyes need to be perfect in order to trust themselves. Sometimes the message appears and disappears on its own, especially after restarting the car or driving for a few minutes. This happens because the system needs to see enough reliable information to function. It can also appear when you're using the turn signal on very sharp curves or outside the speed ranges where LKA operates. This is completely normal and does not indicate a malfunction.